grew up on a farm in rural Wabasha County, Minnesota. I'm the eldest of 11 children. We were all very active on the farm. I graduated from Plainview High School in 1960. I wanted to be an engineer, so I was looking for a college that had pre-engineering at the time. Mankato at the time was really an emerging college. It seemed to me the place to go. So I started there in 1960. In my sophomore year, MSU got their first computer, and it was actually managed by a young professor named Donald Henderson. No one really knew much about the computer. It was new to everyone. So I sort of fell in love with it, and we sort of learned it together. When I joined UNIVAC, I was a member of a team that was designing the first virtual computers in the industry. From UNIVAC, I was fortunate enough with 6 other individuals to start a company called Technalysis Corporation in Minneapolis, where we provided consulting to mainframe computer companies. And I formed another company called KET, K-E-T, within Technalysis, where we actually made computer peripherals and memories for large mainframes. In 1978, when KET was acquired, I founded a company called DataKey. And at DataKey, I was fortunate enough to be at the front of this new industry, portable data, and was able to be granted about 70 U.S. and international patents. In 1985, I saw the need to expand portable data into transactional computers for the non-office professions, such as in vehicles. So I started a company called Zeta. I retired from there in 2003 and am now working in another company that I started called Chateau Frontenac, where we're developing a historic community on the shores of Lake Pepin in Frontenac, Minnesota. Linda's been at my side through all these years, from Technalysis through DataKey through Zeta and into Chateau Frontenac. She's been there every step of the way, and I wouldn't have accomplished what I did without her. I've been active in the Lupus Foundation for years. I had a daughter who had lupus and saw what the struggles that people with lifetime diseases go through. I've also been very active in our Historic Preservation Commission in Frontenac to keep the historic community we have. My work on the foundation board has been support that I enjoyed and I think was beneficial. I did that back in the late 1990s and gave me a really good insight as to how the college works, and I was very happy to contribute on the board at that time. Setting up the scholarships is something that I think supported not only some students but the faculty. Hopefully has encouraged the college to keep the professors and the teachers very involved with industry and vice versa. I always recommend MSU to students coming out of high school. I think you'll find not only a lot of my nephews and nieces have gone there, but I think a lot of people from Wabasha County have also gone to MSU when there's really other colleges closer. But I think they see what a wonderful school it is and very beneficial in going there. I'm very appreciative of what I learned at Mankato State, the skills and confidence they gave me to go out into industry. I'm glad I've had the opportunity to pay it back in some respects, and very proud of the recognition you're extending at this time.